Today we have NCT finally, girl. We're gonna react to the NCT. I don't know anything about them, neither than their names. Okay, so don't mind me if I'm kind of lost on this reaction. But yeah, when we first start, give me a like. Okay, subscribe. Just have to click here. Follow my socials. Link down below. If you want to support the channel, link down below. Okay. And without further ado, let's get into it because girl, I've been trying to film this reaction for a while now. Okay, so now is the time to. Let's get started. Let's go. NCT new team. This was the name, right?
Oh yeah.
Before it was new team. Oh, oh, right from the bat is giving SM. The production, you cannot lie. Yo. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna give credit to SM because if you are talking about vocals, harmonies, and this hip hop production, R&B kind of, they deliver every single time. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the energy, SM energy is there. Okay. Yo, automatically on my playlist already. Ew. Okay. Choreography. Oh yeah, this is catchy. I like this. I really like this. Oh yo, the production is giving NCT. Okay. Yo, okay. Right from the bat, I'm really liking the rap line. Ready, so put your hands up. Put your hands up. The choreo. Let's go. High notes. Oh, the breaking down. They growl? They growl. Let's go back. Right? Damn. Okay, yeah, this production, A down. Ooh, the chorus. from what I'm seeing, the rap line it is strong on the in the Wish. I wonder if something changed on the members, like from NCT new team to the NCT Wish. Let's see. Let's go to the NCT Wish Korean version. Oh. Damn. Okay. Hold on. There are cupids? Let's see. Okay. Oh, we're getting it up. Okay. Oh, hold on. Not the change of the production. What happened? It was not like hip hop. Yo, but this say down. This part. Oh, I like this. I like this because they're gonna show the focus more, I feel like. Yeah, the rap line. Oh, ooh, I like this. This chorus and on the choreo. Ooh, this part. Yeah, Cupid. I feel like they're Cupids. Or aliens. I don't know. Please keep it. Because they fell from the sky, right? This part's so good. Damn. Focus. Girl, this look is given Hello Future from NCT Dream. Right? This part? I don't know why. But yeah. Oh, it's a Japanese version. I'm gonna pass this. I feel like we don't have anything new in the beginning. Right? We don't have anything new in the beginning. Let's see if changed throughout the music video. In my hands, there's my wish. Is that the wish? They wish. They wish. And I should Oh, wait a minute. So on that Korean version, the other member was in love with her, if I'm not mistaken. And then now it was him, right? That was in love with her. Mm, but now is another member that is in love with her. Cute. Right? It was him that was in love. I don't know his name. Oh yeah, they are cupids. Definitely cupids. He's pretty. He's pretty. Right, he is in love with her. This time the other member didn't met her or saw her on this version. Wish. Girl, I really like this track. Not gonna lie. Not the dog. I really like this wish track. Not gonna lie. I feel like this track really showed their vocals more than obviously the new team. It's Hands Up. What's the name of the track? I forgot. It is Hands Up. I feel like on Wish you can really see the vocals. Going the vocals is vocaling. The vocals, I love this debut. I love this style of debut of SM. I'm not gonna lie. If even the NCT, it is giving flashback from the NCT Dream debut. They made a whole story, right, to debut, and I like this way. It feels more natural to know the story that they are telling on the music videos, and then you listen. Okay, I'll go the focus. The rap line, I'm curious about the rap line because in the ends up, I could see a little bit. Let's see if you're gonna see more. Let's go to the next one, Songbird, the Japanese version. Then I'm gonna go to the Korean version.
Mission. In this game, you as a messenger.
Oh, it's gonna be a video game. Music video.
무시무시.
Girl, this is crazy. Oh. Girl, why is this giving 90s boy band vibes? Like anything? Backstreet Boys. Right, this guitar. Right? Ew. Hey, I really like this production right from the bat. Ooh, the choreo on the floor. Floor choreo. Ooh, the harmony. Hello. Ooh, okay, harmony. Ew. Oh yeah. Yeah, girl, it's giving a city dream when they started. I love this. Let's go back to the harmony. No, hold up. Ew. I'm sorry. This is great. This is my favorite part of the track. And then Girl, I love this. Okay, rappers. I'm sorry, I have to go back. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yo, the harmony on the background. Yo, I love this concept. Is Cupid meets aliens. I love this concept. Ew.
Sing for you.
Oh yeah. Playlist. Ew. The harmony on the background.
Songbird. Yeah, little Songbird. Sing the melody again now.
Girl, this is the cutest concept ever. No, the Korean version. Oh. Yo, this guy right here is trying to be my bias. What's his name? This. Him. Him. Oh, girl. Girl. They're trying to make like a performance video, but in the music video. Yo, this is smart of SM. It's kind of performance video, but it's in a music video style. Okay, I see you, SM. The harmonies. His vocals, he kind of delivers. Him, girl, what's his name? He maybe become my bias. My first bias on this Jewish. Oh. This part is so good. Oh, he's the rapper? I didn't realize. That all makes sense now. Because I always going to go to the rappers always gonna be my bias. All makes sense.
Sing for you.
This part. Yo. Yo, the choreo is so NCT in general. Ooh, this part. The breakdown.
Little Songbird, little Songbird, little Songbird. Yeah, little Songbird. Sing the melody again now.
He might become a bias girl. Period.
10 seconds.
Okay.
Go for launch.
We going up, like NASA. We
Oh.
going up.
Girl, you're not gonna tell me that this is gonna be a rap line track?
We going up,
Hip hop track? Rap line kind of?
we going up.
Oh.
We going up like NASA. Let's start, no cap.
It's giving necessity. Right from the start. The outfits. Yeah.
Okay.
hold on. This fucking. Oh, we don't have subtitles. SM completely subtitles. Ew! What is this choreo? Yo, yeah. God, they are giving the range, okay? Because on the first track, the hands up is giving hip hop. Then we kind of went like more chill with what was that? Wish. It was more chill, like Hello Future from NCT Dream. Then we have Songbird, still chill. Giving NCT as usual. And then we're gonna have like a electronic hip hop track. Ew. Ooh. Yo, I really like this track. I'm kind of liking all of those tracks. Not gonna lie. The outfit is in it now, okay? Stylish, you did that. And the fact that we have like a track on us and they're like Cupid slash aliens. I think they're just Cupids, but yeah. Tears are falling. Let's see. We don't have subtitles? Oh, we have. Tears are falling. Let's see. Yo, him is kind of giving a J him from NCT 17. Wow, here's to win. If you know, you know, girl. The J him that we have on the channel. Wow. The vocals? Oh, I really like his vocals. First of all, he was not the rapper. He was not the same guy that I said that I was trying to be my bias. He was not the rapper. Oh, we are having a all around the group. Oh, girl. For his vocals? Damn. Dun, 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 dun. I really like this part because it feels like a kind of lullaby, right? Dun, 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 dun. Ew, the change. Ew, okay, rapper. Ooh, harmony. Girl, I think that was the whole NCT wish. And what I have to say after watch all of those videos, is given NCT Dream when they started. Girl, the nostalgia that hit on me. Okay, because this is to like it's complete NCT Dream kind of vibe from the start, from the debut days of NCT Dream. I really like this. But yeah, girl, the vocals. What I have to say about this group is that for now, I still don't have a bias. Maybe he's that guy. Maybe that guy is my bias, but I don't know. Okay, for now I don't have a bias. But what I have to say about NCT Wish is that I feel like they have a really good rap line from what I'm seeing. They have a really good rap line and a really good vocal line too, because that guy on the last track that we listened was incredible. A dunk shot. Okay.
자 기다린 오늘이야 활짝 열린 문 준비 끝난 두 발끝이 불타올라 right Let's go yeah 크게 숨을 쉬니
Ooh, this is different. Really different from the other ones. This is more of a hip hop base. Even on the vocal delivery. Okay.
자 기다린 오늘이야 활짝 열린 문 준비 끝난 두 발끝이 불타올라 right Let's go yeah 크게 숨을 쉬니 저주해 go ahead yo go 세상은 거위 좀
Okay, I like him. How he delivers the rap. Yeah. This work. Hold up, the ad libs in the background, the harmony. Like, right? Ooh, harmony. Okay. Ooh. Okay, delivery.
Hurry, where you think you're going? 함께 몰라 보기란 없는 playing 역전을 그려 hanging Dreams come true, true, true I'm jumping now
God, the choreography is so fun to watch. Ooh. The rap line. Okay. Delivery. Girl, that was the NCT Wish whole compilation. My first reaction. Girl, I love the NCT Wish concept. I love the production. Production, we can say that is like really SM. Right? You're screaming SM. You cannot deny that. The mixture I love how they mixture like hip hop based tracks, vocals based tracks, in a mix of both. I like this. I like girl these last ones were so good. The dunk shot. Let me know in the comments if you want me to react to the EP, but I feel like all those music videos is the EP, right? Or am I mistaken? Anyways, let me know in the comments. And then I'm gonna do it gladly. Okay, I'm kind of leaning my biases throughout the replying. But let's see. I don't know their names still. So let's see. In the next reaction, maybe I'm gonna know their names. But yeah, girl, I love it. The vocals is cute because they're young, right? So they're really young still. But they have a good vocals. But what shines for me was the rap line more. And the dance, of course, because we cannot say SM without dance. Okay. But anyway, hope you like this reaction as much as I did. Give me a like. Put in the comments your favorite tracks from them. I wanted to know, and put in the comments if you want me to react to the EP. If what I react here on this video was not the EP, of course. But yeah, but I feel like it was right the whole EP. But anyway, put in the comments anyway. Follow my socials, link down below. Subscribe. You just have to click here and you're gonna be subscribed. It's easy and quick. What's more? Give me a like if you want. If you like this reaction, make sure you go to my links down below, PayPal, Ko-Fi, and help the channel. And yeah, that was that. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Until then, you already know. Take care of your brain, take care of yourself, and goodbye.
I shoot the shot and roll. I shoot the shot and roll. Hurry, wait, where you think you're going? 함께를 몰라. 보기란 없는 playing. 역전을 그려 해.